At Okane, we believe that integrated mine closure planning is essential from the very beginning of a mine's life cycle to effectively manage risks and achieve the desired outcomes. Too often, decisions made during operations can lead to unexpected liabilities with environmental, social, and financial costs that can extend beyond the operating life of mine. The objective of our solution, integrated life of mine planning, Tailings and Mine Rock, is to combine tactical and strategic mine planning expertise with our reclamation and closure expertise, which is typically considered later in the mine life cycle and needs to be considered during all stages of project development. This approach, if taken early in the project life cycle, provides practical solutions which can help site owners set realistic expectations with regards to schedules and the costs associated with their mine and closure plans. This understanding helps increase the likelihood of achieving the required closure outcomes and reducing the risk of poorly funded closure plans. Let's look at an example. Okane is supporting a mine closure plan for a tin mine in Australia that has been in care and maintenance for over a decade. This mine has significant challenges. The mine rock extracted from the main pit during operations was placed in the adjacent valley. Despite efforts to separate and contain potentially acid-generating materials, the mine rock pile has been generating significant acid and metalliferous drainage, or commonly referred to as AMD. To address this, we developed a conceptual closure strategy that involved relocating the mine rock stockpile back into the main pit and constructing a cover system. This allows for remediation of the valley, as well as mitigates AMD sourced from the pit wall that was left exposed. In collaboration with our environmental geochemistry and water stewardship teams, we have advanced from conceptual through to detailed design with a focus on how the landform will be constructed. Given the site's steep terrain, we carefully considered the construction strategy, including appropriately sized equipment fleets, haulage routes, and working bench widths, to ensure the design can be safely and effectively executed. The goal was to create a stable landform that reduces the volume of contact water that requires treatment and meets regulatory requirements. Construction challenges included access to the steep terrain and the ability to include runaway ramps, backfilling material into a flooded pit, construction sequencing of activities, including drilling and blasting, fill placement, shaping of the landform, geomembrane installation, and placement of cover materials along the pit wall. We collaborated with site owners, regulators, and other subject matter experts to ensure our integrated mine and closure plans align with government regulations, including local occupational health and safety, while achieving environmental and land use goals. By understanding and planning for how closure designs will be executed, we're able to provide our clients with practical solutions that set realistic expectations, including cost estimates and execution timelines. How mines plan, design, and construct mine rock and tailings storage facilities during operations greatly impacts the ability to cost-effectively achieve the required closure outcomes for the landform. At Okane, we take a unique approach by integrating mine, tailings, and closure planning to reduce and better understand risks throughout all stages of the project lifecycle.